Naghihintay pa kayo sa akin. Sorry.
Akala nga mo, hinihintay pa kami. Kumusta na?
First BBC over ko. Ano naman? Masaya. First, so parang hindi ko actually hindi ko alam sasabihin ko. Hindi ko in-expect na mga pumunto. The whole time was just trying to be better, trying to improve myself every day. And then ito yung naging reward. So sobrang happy ako dahil yun na, every day pinupush ko yung sarili ko, not intentionally para manalo lang kung ano mga words, just to really to get better every day, to help my team win, and to hopefully win a championship again. But ito nga, it's a bonus, diba? Like a bonus. So I'm very happy kasi diba, ilan player lang na-achieve namin ito. Yung name ko nandun na, so sobrang saya.
Arlene, sabi mo ilang players na nakaka-achieve nito. Considering si Junmar, parang medyo constant.
Junmar lahat eh.
Tapos, for you at your age right now, medyo bata ka pa, and to be able to put your stamp there up in the parang the league's best. How does it feel?
It's parang surreal feeling, diba? Yeah, like you said, very early, been in the league for 5 years, or 5 years. And then nakakuha ako ng isa sa pinakamas award. Yun parang testament din also na kung paano ako trabahuin every day na talagang to be one of the best. I actually, like I said before, mataas ako mangarap eh. I really want to be the best. And to be the best, kailangan ikaw yung pinaka-working. You also have to beat the best. And yeah. So,
Irvin, kanina parang before you left before leaving the court, you had this moment with your former Ginebra teammates. Just share us lang anong ganap dun.
Ano lang, well of course, parang binanalan sa kanila, tagal ko na kasama yung brotherhood na na-build namin, even off the court, nandun. And of course, I played for that team, and played for Coach Tim. I started my career with him, learned so much from him. From the vets na nandun when I was playing, like sila Joe, LA, JD, and sila Japs, si Mark, MC, kamusta ka na? So that was a big blessing for me to be able to start my career sa ganyang team. And I actually won a championship na first conference. So marami na rin kaming pinagsamahan. And Coach O is my college coach. There's my Ninong. Ninong namin sa kasal. So I said my good luck. And I saw them very, very happy.
Coach Tim, ano sinabi sa'yo ni Coach Tim?
Proud. He's proud. Sabi niya, very proud of you. Thank you.
Irvin, pwede mo share paano mo nalaman yung ikaw yung manalo?
Si Gome, late na tumawag. Well, yeah. I was actually nasa vacation with my family. And one night, tumawag sa akin. And said, to go back to get away. Of course, babalik ako. Best player of the conference, diba? That to be there.
Pero obviously, hindi mo na naisip yung award dahil nakabook ka na ng bakasyon eh.
Actually, ano nga eh, dami ko nang tinanong eh, sir, before pa eh. Sabi ko kasi nakabook ako ng Bora eh. Pwede ko ba malaman yun para i-move ko? Kaya nasa secret daw eh. Yeah. Okay lang.
Sulit naman yung balik mo.
Sulit naman, sobrang sulit.
Yung family mo nandun pa.
Nandun pa sila.
So babalik ka pa. Kaya pa.
Tomorrow morning.
Sige, sabi ko, pero umasa.
Yeah, I remember sabi ko rin sa Peter.
Dadalhin mo yung intro. Black mo.
Hindi na siguro, medyo ano eh, malaki-laki yung
Kung mawala.
mawala ka na.
Martin, in-insight lang, kung hindi ka ba nawala sa Inebra, you think you would win the best player naman?
Yan yung mga tanong na parang ayoko minsan sagutin eh. Yung we'll never know. But, di ko rin masabi eh. But, I'm sure, di ba, yung work that I've been doing ever since, you know, the mentality na I want to be better every day, it's still gonna be there. And then with the help of a lot of veteran players, veteran coaches, and for sure, sobrang laki rin ng improvement ko. That's there. And I can't say lang na if makukuha ko to.
I mean, yung BPC kasi usually ang laking factor in determining yung MVP. So, kumbaga, meron ka ng one foot in chasing that. Sabi mo nga, mataas ka mangarap. May Philippine Cup which walang import. So, parang playground for bona fide homegrown talents to like step up. So, abulin ba MVP?
Eh. But, you know, mahirap din pagka nag-focus ako sa ganun. I'm still gonna do the same thing, di ba? Try to help my team win, di ba? And if ever I get the MVP, then sabi mo, one foot team na. So medyo mataas na yung chance. But of course, you're not gonna get it if you're not gonna win a lot of games or you don't help the team. So I'm not really gonna focus on that. Although, di ba, may isip rin. But once kasi na mag-focus ako, chase that MVP, parang hindi rin makakatulong sa team ko. Like now, I guess, said kanina, hindi ko naman talaga expect na makukuha ko magiging contention for BPC. Just have to, get better every day and help my team win, and that's the bonus. Although hindi kami nanalo ng championship, but it's still.
Sino na ni-expect mo dapat matanay?
Well, dalawa lang kami ni Calvin dapat daw eh. Because expect ko talaga si Junmar, of course, kasi statistically, taas ng layo na. But nung nalaglag sila, medyo tumaas yung chance namin ni Calvin. Lalo kami dalawa yung series.
About ayun ay Philippine Cup ninyo. Obviously, wala pa at bakasyon mode ka, pero
Yeah.
ano lang yung masasabi mo sa chances ng Northport after reaching the semifinals? Dito sa
Definitely yung confidence nung team namin nandun. Reaching the semis, being number one. So, di ba, that's a big experience for us. Morale booster, confidence booster. Di ba? And then we start to believe na kaya pala namin magsabayan sa malalang sa team. And that's a big boost para sa amin going into Philippine Cup. Although wala yung effort namin si Kaming, but diba, may yung belief namin na kaya namin magpagsabayan sa team.
Congrats, Arvin.
Thank you.